Hello and welcome to another Notes in Spanish video. I'm Ben and I'm here with Marina. ¿Qué tal, Marina?
Muy bien, Ben. ¿Cómo estás tú?
Fenomenal. We are shut in the house at the moment, but we are happy and animados, full of good spirits. Is that right?
Totally right.
Good. And animados para enseñaros más español. With the inspiration to teach you guys lots more Spanish. So today we've got a challenge for you, a pronunciation challenge for all levels. It doesn't matter if you're beginner, intermediate or advanced. And Marina's going to give you a bit of background first.
So we have these books called Teo, which were already available when I was a little girl. And they are great for kids at many ages because the drawings are very full of detail. They are simple but full of detail, and kids love it whether they are 1.5 or 5 years old. They get something out of it. And even as a learner, you can get something out of it because they are set in different places. So this one is in the swimming pool.
Hold it a bit longer.
In the swimming
Teo
pool.
in Spanish?
Teo en la piscina. Teo en la granja.
Yeah, on the farm.
On the farm. Teo en el tren.
Mm-hmm.
Teo y sus abuelos. These are a few of them.
There's like 50 or something like that. I mean, they're written
I don't
by
think so many. 30 something maybe.
a Catalan lady called Violeta de Nu.
Yeah.
And she is a Fábrica, a factory of these
I
books.
think she's writing them still, so there are new ones coming out again. And they can be great for learning vocabulary. Ben is going to tell you a funny story because he read one to our little girl the other day and he learned a new word.
I learned a new word, which is today's challenge for you guys. So I was reading Teo en el circo, Teo at the circus, with our 4-year-old daughter. And she's heard this about 5 times, this book. So she pretty much knows the story off by heart, or probably 20 times, but it was the first time that I read it. And I was reading along, and I was reading this page here about the horses at the circus. Then I turned over the page and saw this guy, and I started to read and came to a complete halt because I said, El Presti... And there's this huge long word that I'd never heard of before. And our daughter just came straight out with it. El Prestidigitador. Prestidigitador, Daddy. El Prestidigitador. And I was like, what? So I had to look at this word, and it says El Prestidigitador.
All one word.
Ha llamado a Teo a la pista y lo invita a que saque conejos del sombrero de copa. So the conjurer, or the magician, the guy who does tricks on stage, has called Teo up on stage and asked him to help pull things out of the top hat. So you can see the image here, okay? So the question is, can you pronounce Prestidigitador? Even Marina has trouble sometimes.
Sometimes I get confused. Prestidigitador.
Very good. But the funny thing was, my 4-year-old just said it like this, boom, and I was like, what? How did you learn that so quickly? Okay, so your challenge is to learn that. If you find it difficult, break it down into bits. Prestidigitador. Mm-hmm. And when you've learned that, you can learn Prestidigitación, which is the art of conjuring or being a magician. So there you go. That's it.
That's it.
Learn the words. Keep listening to our podcasts and using the worksheets to learn all of the real Spanish we've got to teach you. We've been doing this since 2006 and we love it, and we're going to carry on doing it. So expect more for us over these days and weeks to come. Y mucho ánimo.
Mucho ánimo para todos. Un beso.
Un abrazo. Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.